The person himself. What is your favorite color? Ready, go.
It's black.
You're green-minded.
I thought you kasi did blue with the decors before.
Oh, black.
Is Joshua's favorite food?
Ayun ba sila gagawin?
Yeah.
Lumpia. Shrimp. Butter shrimp.
Shrimp?
Shrimp.
Shrimp. Butter shrimp. The correct answer is
Lechon.
favorite number.
Wait, nandiyan na yung 69.
Okay, time is up, guys, to this class. It's time.
Kasi
Mamsi, ay.
Oo, di ba? Judgment ka rin.
Okay, the correct answer is
11.
walang tamang answer, B.
what time we will now start closing.
Na-receive, and of course you deserve more. And basta you know it na.
Their own struggles, and I think this one is I think the Lord knew what we needed, and the Lord continually had to take away from you. So I guess, so yun lang. Congratulations, and this is not a goodbye naman. So we just wish you well. Just remember where you came from, and
I want you were so much more capable of what we're doing even in our old job because of us. So I'm so proud of you now. You get to continue.
I cannot say it.
We always know that, changes are inevitable now. And we're happy for your new opportunity. And I just want to say that it's always different when I'm happy. I'm with you. It's always different. And since my first year in Japan, my first year in the JET program, you're there already, and I'm very lucky to meet you, to know you very well. You are one of my closest friends, my genuine friend.
You are too.
Yeah, and I know it will not be as similar as before when you're gonna start your new job. We won't be seeing each other as often as before, but yeah, always seek for greener pasture, and then now
Kinabahan solo.
And of what you have achieved. So this is not the end, this is the start of a really wonderful journey. So you once filled this apartment with happiness. So I'm grateful for that. Thank you so much. And yes. And in your new school, please do your best, and we're here to support you. Thank you.
Don't go. No. Stay.
I'm so proud of you. Ever since the one that, and when we got here, we were first together. And the one that we got to know each other more, and moving abroad, and then you said you meet a lot of people, but you realize not all people will stay, and not all people will like you, and you won't like many people, and not all people will understand who you are. But I'm so thankful that I met you. You're honestly one of my closest friends, and I really appreciate you. And I'm so sad that you're leaving. I feel like everything is finishing very fast. You know, first Nazara left, and then you're gonna go. So, but I'm happy because you deserve it. As your bosom said, you deserve everything. I'm so happy for you. It's hard to say goodbye, and know that I really appreciate you. And please do your best and be happy. And you as our friend, you have a very big heart, and you feel so passionately, and you love people. You give it your all. I know because we're the same. So I'm really happy that I met you, and you're going to with your next chapter.
Okay, yes. Josh, well, what can I say about you? It's been good meeting you. It's been good having.
From the start, when you like Kosan, I was rooting for you. That's why when I learned that you made it, I was so happy and proud of you. All I can say is I appreciate the friendship that we have forged. Although we had a 3-day Cold War.
I might speak in Tagalog or Filipino.
English.
It's all the same. I just want to speak from the heart. I'm sorry. Thank you for being who saves us the first time we were here. You made us feel home. You welcome us to these people. Me and Ram, on behalf of Ram as well, I will speak from my heart and for us.
Portrait. Kasi lahat siya, malungkot siya.
It will never be the same again. You knowing that you're gonna leave me. You've been my best friend. You've been thank you for welcoming me, for never letting me feel that I'm different. You're always, you appreciate your phone by telling me things to me, welcoming me to choir.
Thank you. I'm just so thankful for everyone, for here especially making time. Because I think that's my love language as a friend. I make time if you're special to me, I truly care for you. I always make time, despite my busy schedule. Because I feel like it's the greatest love you can give for your friends. Right? And I'm just so thankful. This is my last day of COVID. And I'm just so grateful for everyone here, despite your busy schedules, making food and everything. So that is something. Thank you so much. To my husbands, Alex and Christopher,
Still something. He doesn't want to have this pedida actually.
Yeah.
I insist. But
Good job.
I insist.
Anyways.